Hi, welcome to another vehicle available at Arbury Hall Limited. This time it's a Nissan Qashqai. It's a 2 litre DCI. It's a limited edition sound and style version. It's in Shiraz black. It's got the 2 litre engine, which is 148 brake horsepower. It's 2-wheel drive, this one is. It's got 115,000 on the clock. It's just been serviced. It's got a nice MOT left on it. I'm just going to go around the vehicle and show any appraisals on the vehicle. So I'm going to start off in this first corner. You can see a light little scratch. Just on a light little scuff. As you can tell, it's not fully black, it's like got a hint of red in it, but it looks very nice. It complements the car very good. It's got the xenon headlights at the front, headlight washers as well for fog lights. Obviously for the age and the mileage there's a couple of stone chips as well. You can see. Trying to be a lacquer just coming off there. Another little scratch there. A couple of stone chips there as well. Across the bonnet. Just gonna go to the front tyre. You can see excellent tread. The diamond grey, it's got alloys. It's got a bit of corrosion on it as well. Down the side. It's got the side steps on here, which is an optional extra. It's got the roof rails at the top as well. It's got the privacy glass. Light little marks on the doors. Another wheel, got a bit of corrosion around the side. Excellent front tyre. Nothing else, to be honest. Got the roof rails again. Got the panoramic roof. You've got the chrome trimming for the boot lid with the Qashqai badge. You've got the original Nissan tow bar. Parking sensors around the back. Light little scratch there. Just going to open the boot. It's got an original Qashqai mat in there. So spare wheel with the Bose sound system as well. That's why it's called the sound and style version. Nice and big boot. Like I said, it's got parking sensors around the back. No scratches or scuffs here. There's a tiny one there, but nothing on the boot, on the bumper. Obviously, it's got this special extra plate on there with the Qashqai badge. Down the side, another side step, another good thread tyre. Again, wheel corrosion. Light little scratch there. Got 2 car park dings here. You can see it from the video. I'll just point out them 2 there. Light little scratch there. Otherwise, that's about it for here. You got a little dink here as well. Again, another wheel with corrosion on it. However, you know the brake pads and discs have been changed recently. You can tell the discs are nice, brand new. There's enough pad on them as well. It's the same for the back. Just going to show you the car interior. So because it's limited edition, it's got the red stitched half leather seats, which are in excellent condition. You've got the carbon fibre effect as well. I said, Bose sound system. Just going to open the panoramic roof. It's got electric blind on there, so it brings in more light. Excellent for the kids. As you can see, it's opening. Nice and bright in there now. No rips, no scratches. Original mats in there as well. Armrest in the back. Again, you can see nice and bright in there. All the electrics are working, it's all fine. Go around to the front. So this one, it's got a remote fob. So it's not a keys version. There is a key inside, obviously, but you've got to start it with a twist on the key fob section. So it's a keyless entry version. You've got folding mirrors as well. So just fold it in over there as well. Folding out. Step in. As I said, mileage is approximately 115. It's at 114 and a half. Okay, you've got Bluetooth, FM, aux. Sound system is very good. Obviously with the Bose sound system is excellent. You've got AC, all working fine. No problems at all. You've got the auto lights there. The auto wipers there. You can see the electric mirrors as well around at the bottom. All the windows work. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Like I said, the electric blind with the panoramic roof. 6-speed gearbox because it was the diesel. So I'm just going to put it in gear. That's first. Bring the clutch up and the car's moving. Second again. Moving again. Third. Bring the clutch up. Yeah, moving again. Fourth. Again. Fifth. 6. It's moving in 6 gears. Very strong. Reverse now. And it's moving again. AC is working. Let's put the fan up. Speed of the fan, you can hear it working. Nice and strong. Just turn it off now. It's very cold outside. Bring the temperature up. Bring it down. Let it run. You've got the cruise control as well here with the carbon fibre trimming. Like I said, half leather steering wheel as well with the red stitching. You've got an aux in the armrest. Again, the armrest is half leather stitched as well. And now for the documents, it's got 2 keys. So I'm just going to show you the logbook, 2 previous owners. Okay. And the service history, like I said, it's just been serviced. So you got 13, 26, 39, 50, 60, 74, 86, 93, 99, and just serviced at 114, 504, 114, 507. It's got all the manuals, got 2 keys. So you've got 2 keys there. And you've got all the manuals here. Okay, so that's about it. That's a 2008 58 plate limited edition Nissan Qashqai 2.0 Dci with the xenon headlights as well. Available at Arbury Limited in Shiraz black. Good luck. Any comments, please note down below. Inquiries made over the phone. My number is 07914 512 956. Any comments at all, any requests for pictures, just via WhatsApp I can send you across. Take care. From Arbury Limited.